The next thing I'm going to talk about is actually classify with notable person. So if you give a name, a picture, and then you ask, is this a famous person? Then classify will tell you the name of that person. Unbelievable, huh? Let's try. So we just finished doing this faces. This is low resolution on the web. But on my desktop, I have a much higher resolution. So I will try to do it on the web. When it fails, I will go back to my desktop version. So let's see. When I do faces, it should show me all these faces that we found in the picture. And then I didn't recognize many of them. So I'd like to see if Mathematica can find it for me. Classify. And then I want to find each face here. Now, I'm going to say, I will put face here, and then I will say notable person. Notable person. Okay, but I have to put the face here. How can I do this here? I wonder if I can put faces here. Okay, let's do Shift Enter. Shift. Okay, now I got to go here and Shift Enter. No, it doesn't work. I have to give it one face at a time. The way to do it is called map. So I have to put pound sign. Pound means I'm going to get one at a time. One at a time from where? You have to end with this ampersand. And then you got to say map outside. Well, let's see. Let's just use a simplified form. This would take a whole day to explain. So I will just show you the syntax and you will follow exactly what I'm doing. So I put pound sign here. Then I put and sign, it's called ampersand. Then I'm doing slash, at, then I do faces. So this slash at means I'm going to use one of them at a time and place it where the pound is here. And this ampersand means there was a pound and the pound's influence ends here. So these are all symbols that we agree to use it. So unless you understand the agreed symbols, you would not know what it means. So here, you just have to follow exactly what I typed and then do Shift Enter. Let's see what we get. It didn't work. I'm wondering why it didn't work. Let's see. Let's do classify. Click here. I think it was a notable person. Let's click here. And then when you go down, notable person. Yeah, it is. Okay, I think these were too small to do this here. Let's see, classify. Should be a rule or list. Let me click here to see an example of it. Oh, notable person comes first. Okay, so here I got to do backspace, backspace, and squeeze in here, comma, pound. Okay, notable person, this. Let's take a look. A lot of Dr. Seuss. Neymar. Excellent. No Einstein. They're Dr. Seuss all the way. Okay, this, I think it was not fair because it was all low resolution. So let's see if we can do better by going to higher resolution on my desktop. I'm copying this command here. And then I will bring the desktop here. And then I will paste the code and run it. I'd like to know who's being classified as whom. So now take a look. I'm doing curly bracket, pound, comma. And then I go to the front of this ampersand and curly bracket. Okay, let's see. Shift Enter. We got the results and it's all missing. Okay, did you know Einstein was Karl Marx and so was he and he's Lenin? Why is it this communist tilt? I think they're getting confused with pictures quality is of that time. So a lot of Randy Savage. Who are these people? Randy Savage. I'm kind of curious who that is. So I just want to copy and then paste it here and then do bracket and then quotation image. quotation. They will show me the picture of Randy Savage. Oh, getting interesting. And she's seen as a Mark Twain. Why? Let's see. Let's do copy this, Mark Twain. Paste it. Open bracket. Quotation, image. Quotation here. Oh, in a way, somewhat. Anyway, this is a Steve McQueen. Okay, he's an actress. Steve McQueen, not him. John D. Rockefeller. So I don't think anyone was identified correctly from what I see. So this is a total failure. But if you put more modern people's image there, then you would get it right. Okay, I will go back to online here. So I feel compelled to show you a working case here. So classify, bracket, I'm going to put the image, notable person here, notable person. And then I'm going to put the image there and here, okay? So whom should we search? Let's look for Obama. And then let's have an image of it. Here we go. And then, is this not news? Images, sorry. So let's see, something that would not be a famous image. So this, let's do something spontaneous. Something like this. So I'm going to copy, but I'm afraid to just copy this because it's going to be too large. So what I will do is I will just snip. I showed you how to do it. So here we go. SNIP, here we go. Snipping tool. And I got this. I got click new. And then click here. Drag it around. Got the image. Go back to my cloud. Squeeze in here and paste it. Okay, shift enter. This is Carl Sagan. I think the problem is the low resolution. Let me go higher. Okay, now this time I'm going to do it from the snip here. New. And let's get his face. Okay. And then go back and I will click here and delete and paste. So this time it's a higher resolution. Hopefully it will get. Finally. Okay, I should stop while it's correct.